In this video, we will explore the concept of resolving merge conflicts in Git. We will cover understanding, handling, and resolving conflicts during Git merges. Let's get started. Merge conflicts occur when Git is unable to automatically resolve the differences in code between two commits. This typically happens when two branches modify the same line of code, when a file is deleted in one branch but modified in another, or when a file is modified in one branch but renamed in another. When these situations occur, Git requires manual intervention to resolve the conflict. Merge conflicts can arise in several common scenarios. The first is same-line edits, where two branches modify the same line of code in different ways, making it impossible for Git to automatically determine which change to keep. Another scenario is file deletion conflicts, which happen when a file is deleted in one branch but modified in another, leaving Git unsure whether to keep the modified file or delete it. Lastly, file structure changes can also lead to conflicts. This happens when a file is renamed or moved in one branch but edited in another, making it difficult for Git to track these changes simultaneously. When a conflict arises, Git modifies the affected file by inserting marker lines to highlight the conflicting sections. The head marker indicates the beginning of the conflicting changes from your current branch, which is referred to as head. The marker separates your changes from the incoming changes. And finally, the feature-branch marker indicates the end of the conflict and specifies the branch where the incoming changes originated. Here are the steps to resolve merge conflicts. First, identify the conflicts by running the command git status in your terminal to see which files have conflicts that need to be resolved. Second, open each conflicted file in your code editor to view the conflict markers inserted by Git. Third, carefully examine the conflicting sections and decide which changes to keep. Edit the file to remove the conflict markers, keeping only the desired code. Fourth, once you have resolved all the conflicts in a file, use the command git add filename to mark the file as resolved. Let's walk through an example of resolving a merge conflict. First, identify the conflict by using the command git status. Next, open the conflicted file in your editor. Edit the file to resolve the conflict by removing conflict markers, keeping the correct code, and possibly combining both changes. Finally, mark the file as resolved with the command git add utils.js. Here are some useful Git commands for conflict resolution. The git status command shows which files have conflicts that need to be resolved. The git add filename command marks a file as resolved after you have fixed the conflicts. The git merge --abort command cancels the merge and returns to the state before the merge began. And finally, the git commit -m open quotation resolved merge conflicts close quotation command finalizes the merge after all conflicts have been resolved. Visual tools can significantly simplify the conflict resolution process. Git merge tool is a built-in command that launches a visual merge tool configured in your Git settings. You can invoke it by typing git merge tool in your terminal. VS Code, or Visual Studio Code, provides an excellent built-in merge conflict resolver with side-by-side comparison. To use it, type code filename in your terminal. GitKraken is a powerful Git GUI client with an intuitive merge conflict resolution interface. Open GitKraken and use the conflict resolver. To minimize merge conflicts, adopt these practices. Make smaller, more frequent commits to reduce the scope of potential conflicts, which makes them easier to resolve when they do occur. Always pull the latest changes from the remote repository before pushing your own changes to catch and resolve conflicts early. Regularly synchronize your branch with the main branch to prevent your code from diverging too much from the main codebase. And maintain clear communication with team members about which files you are working on to avoid simultaneous edits to the same sections. In summary, Merge conflicts occur when Git cannot automatically resolve differences between branches. Conflict markers show you exactly where the conflicts are in your files. Resolving conflicts requires manual editing to choose which changes to keep. Visual merge tools can simplify the conflict resolution process. Frequent commits and pulls help prevent complex merge conflicts. Good team communication reduces the likelihood of conflicts. For further learning, refer to the Git documentation on resolving conflicts, the Pro Git book chapter on branching and merging, and the Atlassian Git tutorial on advanced merging. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.